dear friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sorna and I like to share all my drawing techniques and tips with you. Hey guys, we are conducting a question answer contest for 10 videos. This is the contest video 7. Watch the full video and answer in the comment section. Today, I am going to show you how to draw a lotus with oil pastels and color pencil. You can check materials in the description. This is the outline for the lotus drawing. I uploaded the same picture in my Instagram account. You can follow my Instagram account. The link is given in the description. I used grid method for this outline. You can learn grid method from my how to get perfect outline tutorial. That link is also given in the description. I'm using the Bristol pastel paper, this textured paper which help to get even coloring with oil pastels. For the larger area, I'm using oil pastel. For every details, I'm using color pencils. First, I start coloring the leaf. First, I draw the leaf's nerves with green colored pencils. I'm using dark green and grey green for the leaf. I'm using white pastels to get some whitish tone on the leaves. Area, I'm using light green and grey green. I'm using green color pencils to draw lines in the leaves. Question number 1. How many actor-actress portrait in our channel? Now I start coloring the lotus. For petals, I'm using white, pink, dark pink, light violet, rose pink and Carmine oil pastels. For the lines, I'm using pink, violet and white pencils. Hi guys, see my 1-year-old cutie trying to color. For the center portion of the lotus, I am using fluorescent yellow. This is yellow color. Now I am using orange for tiny circles. For the inner portion, I am using skin color. Now I am using light orange, dark orange and red for the lines around the center portion. Now I am using white gel pen. Now I am going to color the background with black color oil pastel and black color pencil. Question number 3. Which one is your favorite drawing in our channel? Okay, this is the coloring of the lotus. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.